No, it's on.
YouTube, what's up?
Wait.
No, ain't no wait.
No.
We rolling. All right, today what we have is
Ta-da!
a sweet lime. Okay.
Okay.
I'm kind of nervous about this one right here.
Yeah, me too, because lime, you know the taste. Got a sweet lime. Let's check and see.
I'll let you run it. Go ahead, run the show.
Don't smell. Don't smell nothing.
No smell?
No.
Well, first of all, the lime is yellow, which is different. I think your dog wants some. Hey, if I don't like this, it's going straight into some kind of drink.
I had this before.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I remember the smell.
What's it smell like?
It smells citrus.
Okay. I guess that's fair.
This is yours. What do you
It
think?
smells different than a regular lime.
Oh, yeah.
It smells
It smells
more floral.
pink lime. Do you know pink lime?
No, pink
Oh.
lemonade.
Yeah, pink. No, but there a kind of lime is pink inside.
Oh, variegated. No, I've never seen a pink lime.
No?
No.
Yeah.
I'm taking variegated lemon. But it smells like a flower almost. Like citrus and a flower combination.
Yes.
Actually, yeah, actually smells good.
But I'm nervous to taste.
Yeah, because it's a lime. And the expectation of a lime is it's gonna...
Sour.
Yeah, that, whatever that means.
You first.
No,
Oh,
no, that's not how we roll.
No.
Oh my God, I saw that face. I saw that face. What you doing? Why you chasing it? Why you chasing it down? Come on. Really?
Yeah.
You're supposed to roll.
Roll.
No?
No.
Tell us about it.
Too sour and let me look for the word.
I know you're one of this homeboy. I don't even know why you hopping up trying to hop up here.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. I can't believe your face bent up like that though.
I'm searching for the words to describe. Bitter.
Very bitter?
Yeah, very, very bitter.
Okay, so.
Sour and bitter in the same time.
Same time? Okay. I kind of figured that. So, what's your,
Oh.
I would give you some of this lime, homeboy, if you keep begging. Nah, let him keep begging. What's your number?
My number is 2 because maybe you can put in meat or fish. I don't know. Alone, 0. Alone, 0. Impossible to eat.
Is it
alone?
How about than the green one? Can you do the green one? Does it taste better than the green one?
Worse than green.
It's worse than the green?
Yeah, because it's different taste. Totally different.
Totally different.
Yeah, totally different.
Come on. But you can make like a limeade with this, right? Add water, sugar, and make a juice.
Maybe, but it's not an interesting taste.
So you would,
in my opinion.
So what would you do with it?
Maybe to salad, you know? Salad. Yeah.
Squeeze
Olive
it.
oil. Yeah. Sour.
That's solid.
Salt and pepper mixed with this kind of lime. Maybe good in salad.
Okay, so we're done for today.
No, it's your turn. Cougar, it's your turn. Your turn.
I am.
Come on.
It actually doesn't have a taste. I don't taste it.
You don't taste it?
And I don't have that thing, that C word.
A bitter taste. Bitter.
Seed. Bitter.
Bitter. A bitter taste? No? Baby, try mine. It's the same. Wow, he's really tough.
Actually, it's a regular lime is worse than this.
No?
I can taste the sweetness.
A little sweetness.
Yeah. It kind of reminds me of. Yeah, go.
Wait, eat it. Yeah, but now you don't want it.
You don't like
Thought
it.
so. Yeah. Did he lick it?
He's just licking.
Go ahead, homeboy. Nah.
He give up.
Show some enthusiasm, homeboy.
Yeah, your dog greedy. Okay.
Okay.
For me, I'm gonna give it a 1.
Okay.
That's because it doesn't taste like anything. It kind of really, dude.
Stop.
I think you should have called him Keith Sweat. You should have called your dog Keith Sweat because he'd be begging. But yeah, it's more. What's the word I can look? It kind of reminds me of a grapefruit.
Grapefruit?
Yeah.
But grapefruit has taste.
It does. This don't taste like anything. I mean, it smells wonderful, but
Do you think it smells wonderful?
yeah, I like the smell.
Oh. Yeah, taste is taste. I don't like it.
Yeah, this is real weird. It's just a real neutral taste, but you can taste that. I don't know how you get something on your lip and it feels like it's like the rind. I don't know. This is a real weird one for me. Would I do this for lemonade or something like that? Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, let's try lemonade, but
Yeah. Did I get this a number?
for you, drinker.
Did I get this a number?
My number is 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Since I don't really taste anything, I'm gonna go with a 1.
1.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with a 1. It's not bad, but it's just
Waste of time.
yeah, it's a waste of time. If I saw this in the store,
Out. Run.
yeah, I like be in front of the cart like this. Don't. You don't want this. You don't want these problems. Yeah, nah. So for me, this is a no. Waste of time. Your Weekend Gardener. You see this in the store. Peace.
Bye.
Yeah.